Cherry-Tahini Cake. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The first step is to thoroughly cream the butter and sugar. You can do this with a handheld mixer or with a stand mixer. You want to make sure that the butter and sugar are so thoroughly creamed that they become pale and fluffy. This could take up to 3 or 4 minutes. Next, add the tahini and beat for 1 minute more. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well between each addition. And then mix your dry ingredients. Flour, almond flour, baking powder, salt, and ground cardamom. Whisk well and then add your dry mixture to the butter, sugar, egg mixture. Mix again with your electric mixer until combined, and then finish mixing with a flexible spatula to make sure there are no pockets of dry flour in the bottom of the bowl. Spoon the batter into a buttered and parchment-lined cake pan. You want a 6 or an 8-inch pan for this recipe. Smooth the batter using your rubber spatula and then top with pitted cherries and sesame seeds. Bake the cake for 35 to 55 minutes, depending on the size of your pan, and then cool the cake for a couple of minutes in the pan before turning it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. For the glaze, mash the remaining cherries with a bit of lemon juice in a small bowl using a fork. You want to release as much juice as possible, or just combine the cherries and the lemon juice in a food processor and puree. Regardless of how you extract your cherry juice, you want to pass it through a sieve to remove any solids. And then add the confectioner sugar. Mix until you have a smooth, pourable glaze. You may need to add a couple of tablespoons of water, milk, or heavy cream, depending on what you have on hand. Once you're satisfied with the glaze, drizzle it all over the cooled cake. This cake tastes best the day it is baked, but it will keep covered at room temperature for a day or 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.